like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to a Khasi song called PAP, and it is from a Khasi film that is coming very soon, it seems. KHYRDOP, JINGIEID, Ram and Diana. So this was a request from one of my dear subscriber. She reached out to me on Instagram telling me to react on this song, and yeah, we are down for it. So yeah, without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. Man, I'm very much excited and eager for this one. And also guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. You know, it truly means a lot. And also do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back, genuine follower. This is my Instagram ID. So let's just jump straight into the music video and let's vibe into it. Let's get it. Kumril's Films production. Oh wow, Ram Suchang. Oh, I know Ram Suchang. Brightly Min song editor. Wow, this is really beautiful. Meghalaya is indeed, you know, heaven on earth, and as a whole the northeast. You steal my heart. Wow, his voices are so amazing. Wow, beautiful scenery. Please let me know which place is this. Wow guys, please let me know where is this place. This is for real very beautiful, mesmerizing. Oh, simple and strange face. Oh wow. Wow. She's beautiful, pretty. And of course our brother is also handsome. Oh, among all these diamonds, it seems you are the only one that shines. Wait, let me see. Among the precious diamond, okay? It's only you that shine on me. Hey, so deep in love. In your heart, let me stay. Forever they will stay together, it seems. Wow, fogs. tickle my heart. Okay. Wow. Beautiful place. Door of love, you know. The lyrics is for real, very romantic. Door of love, you know business. Wow. Awesome. This was indeed an amazing music video. I enjoyed it, especially, you know, the scenery for me was like amazing, and of course the voices was really good, and the music was also really amazing. And yeah, shout out to the whole team who have worked in this, you know, music video. And I would love to see this movie KHYRDOP JINGIEID. I hope I said that correct. If I'm wrong, forgive me. Ram and Diana, you guys have done an amazing job. And yeah, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. And guys, please let me know what song I should react next. Please comment down below. And a special shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. Kublai Shibun, you guys are amazing, you guys are awesome, I love you guys. Hey, once again, Northeast for life, here we go.